Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are planning in one of my favorite planners of all time. It's my journal. This is where I pour my heart out. So I am going to be using the same stickers as I did last week. So the Teacher Florals. This is a 5 sheet sticker book. It is really amazing if you are on a go. But I also really enjoy the graphics in this one, so I decided to use it once again. Last week I used most of the pinks and reds, and today I think I'm going to be focusing on the blues. So if you are joining me for the first time, welcome. I am so happy you found me, and if you are subscribed, thank you so much. I truly appreciate you being with me every single time I plan. And I just grabbed my white pen, and this is the Uni-Ball Signa white jelly roll pen. Well, not jelly roll, but white pen. And I really love the way this looks and works, and I couldn't resist myself, so that's what I am going to be removing the lines from underneath to make it look even better. I know sometimes planners choose not to do that. For me, it just looks so much better when the lines are not there. I'm gonna add a blue flower right underneath. Let me go ahead and lift this and remove any bubbles. So I'm gonna lay that flat and then roll that on top. Today is a good day to have a good day. Isn't that true? So that week, I hope I'm gonna have only good days. I am going to add another one in green. Do much more of what makes you happy. Do more of what makes you happy. Sometimes those little foiled ones are hard to read, but this one's pretty good. Okay, so I'm just gonna do the same thing and add another floral to that saying. And for me, I do pretty minimalistic planning in my journal, as I do write in it quite a bit. I will show you at the end how much I write in my journal, and you will understand why I need as much room as I do. And it says teach from the heart, and I know it's meant for teachers, but you can teach anybody anything. So I am still using it, and I really love the color of that one. I'm gonna add another one to the bottom of here. Make yourself proud. I really love these swatches a lot. I'm not sure if you guys feel the same way as I do, but these are really lovely. Okay. I'm gonna add another flower to this. And again, the lines have to go. I do want my flowers to look as whole as possible without having any interruptions of lines. These are so beautiful that it's kind of hard to not make them pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add another strip, and this time it will be on the top. I like playing with them and kind of rotating them in different directions like this, where one goes kind of higher, one lower, it just depends. Okay, and I added this plant to it, but I don't think I like it, so let me peel it up really quick and then add that right there. And that one barely shows the lines because it's so dark. Okay, and now I'm gonna add a huge flower. This huge blue flower. I'm gonna go ahead and remove all of the lines like so. Look at this. Oh yes. I think that's lovely. And I'm gonna peel it up just a bit and remove those lines, and then there we go. No interruptions with that one. I think that's lovely as well. I'm gonna add another one kind of onto the sidebar and Monday. So it's gonna be hanging off of that day. It's pretty big, so it's gonna go into Tuesday like so. Oh, that's lovely, and I am so excited to be able to write into this week. Blue is by far my favorite, so to be able to incorporate these blue florals, it's making my heart sing, truly. I am so excited. I am loving this. Okay, and I'm gonna add a little blue blip into there, and the only thing that doesn't match is that flower, that blue and green next to the green swatch. So I'm gonna add another one of those into the other side to kind of balance it out, because otherwise I'm gonna be missing that really vibrant green. But I think this might work. Let's see. Yeah, I think this looks lovely. I think I'm just gonna add this one straight into the bottom of a spread and not really care about the fact that it's not angled or anything like that. Sometimes going just straight works as well. Okay, one more. This one looks amazing as well, and I am so excited about this. I think these look amazing. Now I'm just gonna grab some scissors and cut off the excess all over, and then make sure I allow the excess to be able to pop this back into my planner. Okay, almost done. Perfect. Okay, so I cut out all of the little edges sticking out, so nothing is sticking out anymore. And I am loving this. I hope you are too. It is so simple and different, yet so beautiful. I really enjoy simplistic spreads in my journal, and that's mostly because I write so much in it. So I never know, like, look how much I write in it. I truly write a lot. So I needed this room. Anyway, I think we're done. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon for another plan with me. Thank you. Have a great week. Bye.